Welcome back. And now let's see how we can do all this analysis by seeing some results. So what I'll be doing is I'll be grouping this points, okay? I'll be grabbing the points that we are having. I'll be grabbing the meshes that we are having, legends and titles, and let's put a flatten on them and then put a bake afterwards to see what we are going to have. All right. And I save this, close this, and then open Grasshopper player. So open APV map. Again, we already have this. Put this in, and then it's going to be asking me my north direction. We can put the north direction as, oh, it's already closed. So let's do it again. Maybe I double click or click my buttons too fast. Open EPV map. We can say no to this, but we can paste the value still. So I paste my value. The next thing it's gonna ask is going to be my y-axis, my north vector, which is 0, and then it's going to be asking me the dates, right? So the very first date that I wanted to put in is the first month, which is January. The second thing that it's going to ask is the day, so the 1st of January, and the start hour of 1st of January, which is going to be 6 a.m. The next thing it's going to ask me is the end month, January 31st and 10 p.m. And analysis geometry, this one, select them all. Approve, select them for the context and approve. And the grid size now, let's say 1 or let's say 2 for my grid size, and then run the analysis. And right after we run the analysis, now we are going to see the results baked to my default layer. And you see it's also baking the points, which we don't need to. So what I can say is cell PT, and then I can turn them all off. And if I come over to my display, I can turn off mesh wires. And now I started to see my radiation is come to this portion. And since it's in only the month, it's basically ranging in between these colors, right? So I can rerun it to make another analysis for another time period, which we covered already. So I would say solar option 1 to this. I would create another layer here. Solar option 1. And then select this group and change object to layer. Okay. So this is now out through with only Grasshopper player, and in the next and last video we'll learn how to modify all these things that we see here with the like correct legend, different colors, maybe different values in the legends, and so on and so forth.